When you're out storm spotting, it's important to keep yourself safe from the very things that you're actually out spotting for us. Flooding occurs where water rises rapidly. It occurs in any area, especially if the ground is already moist. Usually, this is caused by very heavy rain in a short time. A good rule of thumb would be about 1 to 2 inches or more of rainfall in about an hour. However, it can also be caused by a dam or a levee failure. Keep in mind that some flooding do occur in vehicles, and here in Illinois, most flash floods occur at night when it's really hard to see the depth of the water on the roads. Besides the issue with the depth of the water, you do not know the actual status of the road underneath it. In many cases, the road may actually be washed away. It is important to never cross a water-covered road or a bridge in a vehicle. You need to turn around and take another route. And never walk into a flooded area unless you're getting help. Lightning is one of the main things you're going to be dealing with as well, as all thunderstorms, regardless of severity, contain lightning. Safe locations for lightning include secure buildings with the windows and doors closed. Also, a hard-topped vehicle with the windows closed is a good shelter. This is safe because you are in the metal frame of the vehicle, and it has nothing to do with the tires, as is commonly believed. Basically, when you see lightning or hear thunder, make sure you are in a safe location. Unsafe locations include anywhere outside, especially near trees, tall objects, or in open areas. Buildings with large open doors, such as farm sheds, or even no walls, such as picnic shelters, give you no protection at all. In addition, cars with open windows do not provide protection either. If you're mobile when storms strike, be aware of high winds and downbursts. Get indoors if you can safely. Be sure to slow down and find a place to pull off away from trees and power lines. The storms may blow them down on top of your vehicle. For other spotters, make sure you get inside and stay away from doors and windows, as well as upper levels of homes. Sometimes trees or tree limbs may come crashing through the roof. With tornadoes, remember that they do not always present themselves. Around here, a lot of them tend to be either hidden in haze or masked in rain. Sometimes they're large enough that you can't really see a point. It's just one big blob of black off to the west. There can also be bad contrasting in the lighting across the area, especially if it's at night. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, falling and flying debris is the greatest hazard you'll experience from tornadoes. This can result in injuries and even fatalities. If you find yourself facing a tornado, get inside a sturdy shelter. A basement or underground shelter is the best. If there aren't any available, get to the lowest level of a building near the center of it, preferably in a small room or closet. And be sure to cover up. This will help minimize your risk of injury from falling debris. As a last resort, if you don't happen to have a shelter nearby, lie flat in a ditch. The important item is to get out of your car. If you stay there, you can get seriously injured.